The toucan is a colorful, distinctive bird native to Central and South America, known for its vibrant plumage and large, striking bill. These birds are part of the Ramphastidae family, which includes about 40 species. They are often seen as symbols of tropical forests and are easily recognizable by their large, often brightly colored beaks, which are much larger than their bodies. Toucans are medium-sized birds, typically ranging from about 18 to 25 inches, 45 to 64 cm in length, depending on the species. The toucan's most notable feature is its large curved bill, which can be more than half the length of its body. Despite its size, the bill is surprisingly light, made of a hard, hollow structure filled with air pockets, which makes it less cumbersome than it might appear. The bill is often brightly colored in shades of orange, red, yellow, and green, depending on the species. Toucans have mostly dark feathers, with vibrant accents of yellow, red, or orange, adding to their striking appearance. The colors and patterns can vary widely between species. Toucans are typically found in tropical and subtropical rainforests, often in the canopy or the upper levels of trees. They live in regions spanning from southern Mexico through Central America, extending into the Andes in South America. Common habitats include lowland rainforests, montane forests, and sometimes dry forests. Toucans are omnivorous, with a diet that includes a wide variety of fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and even small vertebrates like lizards or eggs. Fruit makes up the bulk of their diet, and their large bills are well adapted to reaching and handling large, hard fruits. They often feed on fruit that is too large for other birds to manage. Toucans are often observed holding their food with their bill and tossing it into the air to catch it with their mouth. They will also drip feed their food from one beak to another. Toucans are social birds, often living in small groups or flocks that can number up to 12 individuals. These flocks help with foraging, providing safety in numbers and social interaction. The large bill of the toucan is one of its most defining features, and while it might seem impractical, it has several functions. Thermoregulation. The bill helps to regulate the bird's body temperature. The blood vessels in the bill can expand or contract to release or conserve heat, which helps the bird maintain its body temperature in the hot, humid rainforest environment. The bill is an effective tool for reaching and eating a variety of fruits, and even for pecking at tree branches or other vegetation. The bill is also used in social behaviors and displays, particularly in mating rituals. Toucans may display their bills to each other to establish dominance or attract mates. Toucans nest in tree cavities, often in dead or decaying trees. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them. After hatching, the chicks are fed a regurgitated diet of fruit and sometimes insects. The young toucans remain in the nest for several weeks before fledging. While toucans are not universally endangered, their populations are threatened by habitat loss, particularly due to deforestation in tropical rainforests. Some species, like the keel-billed toucan and the toucan barbets, are considered near-threatened, while others may be more abundant in their native habitats. The keel-billed toucan is perhaps the most famous species due to its vibrant colors and association with the popular brand Fruit Loops. Despite their large bills, toucans are capable of flying, though their flight is often described as more of a series of short, direct glides rather than long migrations. Toucans are often used as symbols of tropical wildlife and are iconic figures in many cultures. Toucans, with their colorful and engaging appearance, have fascinated people for centuries and continue to be a symbol of the biodiversity and vibrancy of tropical ecosystems.